In this video, we will show you how to replace your hood support on this Nissan Maxima. This will be located under your hood. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's prepare to install our brand new hood support. Before doing so, keep in mind this is what holds the hood up, so you want to make sure you have something propping the hood up so it does not fall down on you and potentially hurt you. To remove this, it's going to be fairly simple overall. There's two areas that we need to focus on each end of the support itself. We'll start down at the bottom here. Now for each of these, it just has a small locking clip that you can use an angled pick or even a small screwdriver if necessary. We're going to try to get underneath the center of that locking clip and gently pull it out and away from the support. Now we can see that starting to separate. We don't need to fully remove it. Just go ahead and start sliding it out and pull the support out and away. Let's make our way up to the upper mounting point next. Same process, go ahead and pull out on that locking clip. Before installing our brand new hood support, let's make sure we clean and inspect both of the mounting points. Just double check, make sure nothing's rotted or weak. Now we can install our brand new hood support. This is going to be fairly simple overall. Just go ahead and line it up and press it into position. Of course, you do want to make sure you have it in the proper orientation. Press it in, listen for a click, a light tug. Continuing on, we can get this aligned and press that into position as well. You can lift up on the hood. We'll press that in. Double check, make sure that's secured as well. Okay friend, we finished the installation of one side of our hood support. The process for one side is the exact same thing as the other. After you've completed that, go ahead and remove the apparatus holding your hood up and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.